It was really fantastic for last 2 days. Especially, what I would like to appreciate about Abhishek is the patience which you have actually shown to us, irrespective of the stupid questions which people asked, and also the exercise which we have conducted today, which made a lot of insight into what we do not know as on date or what we can do tomorrow. Okay, that was really a brilliant stuff which you have done today.
It was an eye-opener. I mean, yesterday I started off the day with a bit of shakiness, like how I'll go to the market, sell the new area which has been, given responsibility to me.
It was really a great experience. Reason being, this was the first program which I feel in terms of the level of participation from the overall group. Learning in terms of one perspective opened up for me, that mindset shift needs to be required to get the areas which are threat as per you to convert it into opportunities, and that really helps the further growth. So this is the biggest takeaway which I think that I am taking away from this program, and would be a long-term asset along with me.
It was a fantastic program.
I really thank every one of you. I'm really happy and motivated by kind of support and your intentions of addressing the business needs, and your participation to a commitment towards delivering a target.
I really learned a lot of things which I'll implement immediately.
This was the fantastic training session.
Thank you for that.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Abhishek ji.
Thank you very much.
Thanks to management and Abhishek.
Thank you so much for your active support, and we wish you all the best.
I can say that I am a champion. I can do it. Thank you so much.